Okay, hi everybody. We're going to be working through the chapter here on rationals. And the very first question we're going to look at here is says for each of the following, identify their horizontal and vertical asymptotes. Okay, so here's question 1a. Let's just zoom in on this a little bit here. So the first function we're going to deal with here is y equals 3 over x minus 2. Okay, now you should identify from see this from this right away here that this is going to be undefined when x is equal to 0. Okay, now that's a restriction that we're stuck with. We can't do anything with it. We can't cancel it out here. So that's going to become our vertical asymptote. Okay, vertical asymptote here is going to be x equals to 0. Now the horizontal asymptote, a little bit more complicated. What we're going to do here is notice that this is 3 over x, okay, and that's been shifted 2 down. Okay, a negative 2 means a vertical shift by vertical shift 2 units down. Now compare this to the previous page here. What you're seeing here is the graph of y equals 1 over x, and we can see that 1 over x has a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. Now putting a 3 in the numerator here causes a vertical stretch by a factor of 3, but that's actually not going to cause any change in the horizontal asymptote. So that's going to do nothing here. So if I go back to that function that we were looking at here, 3 over x should still have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. Now, that would be the same actually for any function. If there's just a constant in the numerator and you've got the denominator has got x's in it, or any time when the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator, the horizontal asymptote will be 0 and then translated 2 units down. So our horizontal asymptote here, okay, is going to be translated 2 units down, so it'll be y equals negative 2.